Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn equivalent fractions together, step by step. Two fractions are equivalent when they cover the same amount. Look at the bars. 1/2 and 2/4 shade exactly the same space. One bar just has more pieces that are smaller. They are equal in size. To make an equivalent fraction, multiply the top and the bottom by the same number. 1/2 times 2/2 gives 2/4, times 3/3 gives 3/6. Whatever you do to the bottom, do to the top, and the size stays the same. You can also go the other way and divide. 4/8 divided by 2 on top and bottom gives 2/4, and again gives 1/2. 1/2 is the simplest form, using the fewest, biggest pieces. Let's fill in the missing number. 1/3 equals something over 6. Look at the bottoms. 3 times 2 is 6, so we multiplied by 2. Do the same on top. 1 times 2 is 2, so 1/3 equals 2/6. So here is the whole idea. Equivalent fractions cover the same amount with different pieces. To make one, multiply or divide both the top and the bottom by the same number. The picture stays exactly as full. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.